How to suggest your account to others. Your account TikTok, of course. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel, and see you, and let's start. So I will open TikTok first. Then when you open TikTok, as you know, home will open automatically. You will just go now on profile. Then on profile you will just go here to this three line and click. Then you will go to settings and privacy and click. Then on settings and privacy you will go to privacy and then go to suggest your account to others. Then you will turn on all these things, like this, like this, like this, and like this. And that's it. It will work with you. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next.